There she is, waiting for frame.
Chooky beat.
On the beat.
Alright guys, so I got this thing on these jack stand things and it's pretty late, so probably gonna finish this up tomorrow in the morning.
Chooky beat.
I'm gonna have to wake up butt ass early and start chopping this thing down, but I'm just gonna leave it like this for now because I'm super tired. We'll get back tomorrow. All right. Спусти. Is there a locking pin? Well, there's that big ass nut or bolt.
No.
Sure.
Давай. Давай.
Давай.
Ставь.
Release.
Пока нет. Вон все вот говно.
It's like separating there. I guess metal.
Yeah, I know, but it's bolted in a weird spot. It's not pulling the. It's not pulling.
Oh, because it's like the nut is on the support.
Yeah,
and
so
weak ass metal.
It's pulling the top of the rail instead of the whole rail, because you know technically the rebar is supposed to be right here, you know.
Yep.
But it's not. It's up high and it's bolted more to the top of the rail, which that's where the support is, and it's kind of so.
Yeah, it's right there. The nut on thin ass metal.
So at this point, just gotta remove the rebar and all the shields that are in the way, and we're gonna pull the rails on their own.
Okay.
Давай, поехали.
It's about to tear that off.
Yeah, sure, plug it.
Michelangelo of sheet metal.
Let go.
Морду свою убери, а то...
Все, пускай.